Good day everyone, we are from BSIT3ABA and here is our course requirement for IT311 Advanced Database System. We are given 5 datasets to clean, consolidate, and load it into a RapidMiner Studio. So each member has different data for easy and fast cleaning. The first thing we did was to clean up the data year by year, and the process we do was to remove all duplicates data and remove also the empty cells before combining it into a single file. This figure is the consolidated data, and as you can see here that there is no empty cells at all. After combining the data, we validate it to make sure that the data should have one format. And after cleaning and consolidating it, we loaded it into RapidMiner to visualize the status of the data.
As illustrated in Figure 2, the classification based on cause of death includes the most respiratory diseases, followed by unknown diseases. According to the data in Figure 3, the people with respiratory and cardiovascular diseases have the largest scale on the classification. Based on the consolidated data indicating the data of civil status, married has the most data. Next is widowed and single, and the other one is unknown status.
As we can see here in the statistic, the missing number in age is 772, the missing number in sex is 1, and the civil status is 429, occupation is 1, place of residence is 1, date of date of death is 486, time of death is 1, causes of death is 1, and classification is 406.
We can see in the consolidated data from 2011 to 2015 that there are 485 errors. That means that the data is noisy and has missing values. There are also many empty cells that cannot be directly used in data mining activities.
Solutions. It is the process to ensure that the data is accurate, consistent, and usable. Raw data from 2011 to 2015 from an unnamed town would likely contain a variety of different data types and formats. Before data mining can be performed, the data would need to be cleaned and consolidated. This process would involve several steps to ensure that the data is accurate, consistent, and usable. First is the data inspection. This is first step would to be inspect the data and identify any issues or inconsistencies. This may include missing values, duplicate records, and incorrect data formats. Next is the data cleansing. Once issues have been identified, the data would need to be cleansed. This may include removing duplicate records, filling in missing values, and correcting errors. The third one is the data consolidation. After the data has been cleansed, it would need to be consolidated. This may include standardizing data formats, combining data from multiple sources, and creating a consistent data structure. And the last one is the data validation. After the data has been cleaned and consolidated, it would need to be validated. This may include running various checks and tests to ensure that the data is accurate and consistent. Once the data has been cleaned, consolidated, and validated, it will be a usable state for data mining. Data mining can be used to find patterns, trends, and insights in the data that can be used to make data-driven decisions.